Hi guys, do you know that in many African communities, men do not rely on pills for sexual performances and libido? Yes, they rely on African roots. One of the most respected is Mondia Whitei, a root that is traditionally used to support natural energy levels, physical stamina, and overall wellness. One of its most popular uses is for boosting male libido and supporting natural sexual health, which is why many people call it a natural aphrodisiac. Today, I will show you what it is, how it works, and how to use it correctly. Mondia Whitei is also known in most regions as white ginger and asasinyam, which means aromatic land in Ghanaian language. Mondia Whitei is a climbing plant found across many parts of Africa. The plant is especially valued for its roots, which have a sweet vanilla-like scent mixed with a spicy ginger-like aroma. Mondia Whitei is not widely cultivated yet, so almost all the roots you see on the market are responsibly harvested from the wild. Harvest Mondia roots by carefully digging around the base of a matured plant. Loosen the soil gently to expose the roots. Then cut a portion without uprooting the entire plant. Avoid uprooting all the roots from one plant. Sustainable harvesting helps conserve this valuable species. This is important because overharvesting has reduced wild population in some African regions. Proper wash of the harvested roots is essential to remove soil and impurities before use. Dry them in shade to help retain its aroma and quality before storage. Mondia roots are used traditionally in fresh root form, dried root form, or in powder form. Generally, to use Mondia root, either fresh or dried form, just wash it, cut a small stick, and chew it slowly as showing to release a sweet natural vanilla-like taste juice. Swallow the juice and either swallow or discard the fiber. After a few minutes, you may start to feel a gentle warming sensation in the body. This is completely normal. Some people also experience a boost in energy level and alertness, while others notice a calm, relaxed feelings. To use Mondia root powder, you can mix it with warm water, porridge, tea, milk, or honey. A common daily dosage is about half to 1 teaspoon. This is roughly around 1 to 3 grams daily. Always start with a small dose and use it in moderate. It can be taken once daily or split
into morning and evening. It is best taken after meal to avoid stomach discomfort. Please note, start with a low dose, around 1 gram, and observe how your body reacts. Avoid excessive. Use more is not better. Take breaks. For example, use for a few weeks, then pause. Most people fail to grow Mondia Whites from seeds, not because it is difficult, but because they mix 1 or 2 critical steps. Before planting, you must start with the right seeds from matured pods. As you can see here, mature pods are brown and partial dried, and they begin to split open naturally. Inside, you will find seeds with silky white hairs. Make sure your seeds are fully brown and well formed. Immature seeds will not germinate properly. These silky hairs help the seeds disperse in the wild, but for planting, you need to remove them. Gently rub the seeds between your hands to remove the hair. This makes planting easier and improves soil contact. Mondia seeds do not require pre-treatment method in propagating them. Use well-drained fertile soil. A good mix is topsoil, sand, and compost. The soil should be loose and rich, not compacted. Good drainage is very important because waterlogging can kill the seeds. Now, plant the seeds about 1 to 2 centimeters deep. Place them horizontally or slightly covered with soil. Do not bury them too deep. Water gently after planting. The soil should be moist but not soaked. Spacing is important, so you can plant in a nursery tray to give each seed enough room to grow. Continue watering regularly to keep the soil slightly moist. Mondia White grows best under partial shade. Avoid direct harsh sunlight at this stage. With proper care, germination can take anywhere from 2 to 4 weeks. Once the seedlings develop strong leaves, you can transplant them into bigger bags or directly into the field. Make sure the soil remains fertile and well drained for vigorous seedlings growth. Boost your herbal collection with authentic Mondia White from Ghana. Seeds, dry roots, and root powder available. Limited stock. Message Jibril Enterprise today for your local and international delivery. If you follow these steps, your success rate will increase significantly. If you found this helpful, like this video
share it, and subscribe for more practical farming guides. Drop your questions in the comments. I am here to help you succeed. Thank you very much for following Jibril Enterprise. Bye bye for now.